What is up, YouTube? And we back with another video, you know what I'm saying? I know you saw by the title. This is for seniors only, or even juniors, you know what I'm saying? If you're a junior, you can watch this video. If you're a sophomore and freshman, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. I'm not gonna lie. This point of the video is to make sure that yeah, I'm talking to you, the person that's watching this video right now. You don't fall off after high school. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go through this shit together. First gem I can give you, find the right friends, bro. I'm gonna give this an example, bro. I had a friend, right? You know what I'm saying? He let me wear his motherfucking shoes, right? Yeah, tracks. He let me wear his tracks, right? So we get to the function, right? We with the bitches. Do you know what this nigga gonna say? Bro, I need my shoes back. In front of the bitches. Nigga, what the fuck are you doing? Fucking it up, bro. In front of the hoes? In front of the hoes is crazy, gang. In front of the hoes is crazy. But yeah, then I realized that wasn't my friend, so I stopped talking to him and cut him off, bro, because that's some wild shit, bro. Don't tolerate no disrespect from nobody, bro. Don't, bro. You know what I'm saying? It depends. Like, what I mean by disrespect, if somebody bidding you or making you the joke, the butt of the joke, that's not disrespect. I'm talking about when somebody blatantly disrespects you and doesn't care about nothing you gotta say. Nigga, don't tolerate that shit. Give you is don't follow everybody else, bro. Like, I'm gonna give my example of what I mean by don't follow. I'm gonna use me as an example as everything, bro, because I'm not gonna fall off after high school. I know I'm not, you me. But everybody that I know, other than my friend group, literally everybody else is going to college. They posting the schools they got accepted to, all the colleges they got accepted to. Little baby said everybody going the same route, so I switched up my routes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying, you know what I'm saying, college is a bad thing, but don't follow trends, bro. Don't go to college just because everybody else is going to college. Because then you're going to look like a dumbass, bro. If you going to college just to go to college, bro, you're going to fall off after high school. You don't have to follow this tip, but I suggest you do. You know what I'm saying? This is my suggestion. You don't have to. You grown-ass man. You know what I'm saying? Going into adulthood, you can do what you want. But stay consistent in working out. Try to get some type of exercise in at least 2 times a week. At least 2 times a week, bro. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter if you do push-ups, go on a jog, go to the gym every day. It don't matter, bro. Just stay consistent in something exercising-wise. You know what I'm saying? That will benefit you. And also eat healthy. Try to eat as healthy as possible. I'm not saying you gotta eat a salad every day, but try to, you know what I'm saying, not eat unhealthy every day. Don't eat unhealthy every day, because that's just gonna fuck you up in the long run. I'm trying to tell you, bro. I seen it on my own 2 eyes, bro. Do you want to be fat? Do you want to be a fat motherfucker sitting on the couch? Go give me some food. Do you want to be that nigga? No. You don't want to be no fat nigga. You don't want to be no fat nigga, bro. Do you want to be on my 600-pound life? No, you don't. Next tip I can give you, get your motherfucking license. Do not wait. Don't be no grown-ass man and you still need rides. I want to process of getting it. And I'm trying to find a loophole where I can get it in 2 months. 1 second, give me one. Right here. This game right here. And not a lot of people know about this. Keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy. Always have something to do. Never be sitting around laying in the house. You know what I'm saying? You don't never want to be sitting around laying in the house all day, bro. Stay busy. It don't matter if you working. It don't matter if you going to work out. It don't matter if you going to go see your girl. Just don't sit in the house, bro. Because once you're in the house, sitting in the house, you sit in the house. But once you're out, you're out. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, real talk. Like Lily, you know what I'm saying? When you go out, you might go with your friends, go hoop. Then y'all trying to get something to eat. Shit, you might go make a money play. Shit, y'all might go on some buns. Like, bro, just go out, bro. But when you stay in the house,
what? Oh, damn, I'm about to play a game, watch a movie, eat.
You ain't doing shit. You ain't doing shit, bro. Go outside, bro. Don't Sit in your house, bro. Cause that's gonna keep you down, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Level up, bro. Level up, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is just mastering your energy, mastering what's around you. You're in control of yourself. Don't ever forget that, bro. You're young, you know what I'm saying? You got a lot of life to learn. You got a lot of time. Keep yourself busy, bro. Trust me, bro. Right here. This is the last tip I'm gonna give y'all, bro. This is game right here. This is game right here, bro. Game. Game. This is a gem. Always be willing to learn. You will forever be a student. Always learn. Always expand your brain, bro. Always learn new information. Hang around older people, bro. Trust me, bro. Hang around older people. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Because older people will tell you their mistakes, what they learned, and you can learn from them. I love being around older people because I can learn, bro. I love to learn, bro. Learning new shit is like the key to life, bro. Learning is the key to life, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it don't matter if you learn it on YouTube from other people. Learn something, bro. Find value information that can benefit you. Read books if you need to, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. These is gems. These is keys to life, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. You will succeed, bro. I'm a senior too. I get out May 10th, you know what I'm saying? I see some of y'all proms is happening, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, it's almost over. Forget high school. High school's done. High school's over. You starting a new life. You're reborn. After high school, the day after high school, you're reborn. You're a new person. You're not the same person you were in high school. You're not going to see the same people. You're not going to be friends with some of the people that you was friends with. You're not going to talk to none of the people that you talk to. Nobody's on your ass. You're grown. This is on you. You're a whole new... It's like you're a new baby. I'm trying to tell you, bro. You're a new person, bro. Level up, bro. You got it. I got it. We got it. We gonna go together. You know what I'm saying? This is for y'all, bro. I'm giving y'all a game because I know what it takes, bro. But that was the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, if you like this type of content, let me know because I like this type of content. I like chatting, y'all. I like chatting, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is chat. Because, you know what I'm saying? I be talking to my friends and shit about this shit, you know what I'm saying? Grown up shit, you know what I'm saying? About goals and shit. And like, leveling up and shit. But I don't really be talking. Y'all are my friends, bro. Like, I'm acting like y'all not my friends, bro. Y'all are my friends too. I can talk to y'all about this shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't got a gatekeep. y'all my homeboys. You know what I'm saying?